Hey everyone, so we're getting the RV all set up for our first overnight camp. Let's see, we got our brand new mattress, everything's clean, showers clean, everything's painted, we've got the backsplash, the washroom. I spent all day scrubbing the toilet. It's good to go. New kitchen sink. Countertops are all repainted. Stove totally clean. You got the backsplash. We've got the fridge on. We got some cold drinks going on here. Getting ready. Freezer just has some water bottles up there just to keep it cold. I took all the valances off of the blinds. We got some new mats today. Got the daughter's bed all set up. Got the front cab all cleaned up. Curtain reinstalled, light installed. Lots and lots of work. And then, of course, today, and don't judge, I need to shave, I know. I had the slide out. We didn't want a unit with a slide because we knew it would be nothing but problems. And sure enough, the night before we're gonna go, I gotta spend hours getting a different socket so that I could manually crank it back in. That was a half hour of cranking. Lots of fun. Anyways, I think we're good and we'll see you on the road. Good?
Yeah.
First overnight trip. And the turbo wound right out. And lots of additives in the oil, additives in the fuel. Get everything cleaned out. Hopefully we don't break too many things.
Say hi, Emmett.
We had a very successful shakedown trip, 800 kilometers in total. And as you can see, everyone was in good spirits. We had a nice, nutritious meal that Bree had picked out. She was sick of military food at this point. This is where we camped for the night, in the back corner of a rest stop. It's nice, quiet, level. Thanks for stopping by and watching our video. Be sure to like and subscribe to see our next adventure. I promise they do get better.